Alright, this is how to find Turkey's national debt online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
There's a couple different websites here, but basically this first one, if it will load up, it's called siakdata.com, and it's going to show you the country Turkey's national government debt from the year 2001 until 2022. We have a different charts here. We have the 1 year, 5 year, and the 10-year chart. Basically, it's just going to show you the national government debt from 2001 to 2022, and you can go to the max as well. If we were to scroll down, this website's actually pretty articulated, believe it or not. You have key series or key aspects. You can see here tax revenue. You can see here the government debt. You can even scroll down and you can take a look at trade balance, total exports, total imports, etc., 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 foreign direct investments, all of the key data that you need for this country of Turkey. The next website is macrotrends.net. Pretty cool because it shows you data from 1960 to 2024, ranking back from 2018 to 2021 with the stats of increase and decrease of the debt. There should be a chart up here. I'm not sure why it's showing or not showing, more or less, give or take. And then you have all the different years as far as the annual changes leading back to the 1960s. Wow. And then last but not least, you have usdebtclock.org. And if we were to scroll down for Turkey, well, we have all the list of different countries here. Okay, Turkey's actually ranked last. As you can see, that $432 billion of national debt. Completely for free tutorial. Check in the next one.